Think you can't get enough protein on a vegan diet? Think again. Today, I'm going to share 10 vegan recipes high protein that are not only delicious, but also perfect for weight loss and muscle gain. High protein vegan meals are the secret to burning fat while fueling your workouts. Unlike the myth that plant-based diets lack protein, the truth is you can build lean muscle with vegan protein recipes just as effectively. The best part? These high-protein vegan meals keep you feeling full for hours, prevent cravings, and boost your metabolism naturally. Perfect for anyone looking for vegan weight loss recipes or vegan muscle gain meals. From tofu recipes high protein to lentil protein recipes, and even sweet options like vegan overnight oats with peanut butter, these dishes are versatile and quick to prepare. Stick with me until the end because I'll not only show you tasty vegan breakfast high protein, vegan lunch ideas high protein, and vegan dinner recipes high protein, but also snacks and meal prep hacks to hit your goals effortlessly. When it comes to vegan recipes high protein, the main benefit is how protein helps in fat loss and muscle repair. Without enough protein, your body struggles to recover and build strength. Many people still believe plant-based high-protein meals are inferior to animal protein, but that's just a myth. Science shows vegan protein recipes can provide all the essential amino acids if you combine the right foods. Excellent sources of vegan protein include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, seitan, and quinoa. These are the building blocks of vegan muscle gain meals and sustainable energy. Choosing high-protein vegan meals doesn't just help with fitness, it also supports digestion, heart health, and long-term weight management. That's why many athletes now embrace vegan bodybuilding meals. Whether your goal is fat loss, building lean muscle, or simply feeling energized, protein-packed vegan meals are the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Starting the day with vegan breakfast high-protein options sets you up for steady energy and fat burning. One classic choice is a high-protein tofu scramble with spinach, packed with flavor and nutrients. For a sweeter start, try peanut butter and chia overnight oats. This is one of the best vegan oatmeal protein recipes, fiber-rich, satisfying, and perfect for busy mornings. Smoothies are another quick win. A vegan protein shake recipe with pea protein, banana, and almond milk makes a filling breakfast in just 2 minutes. If you love variety, mix and match vegan breakfast recipes high protein like smoothie bowls, tofu scrambles, or protein-packed overnight oats. The key is balance: carbs plus fiber plus protein. These easy vegan recipes protein not only support weight loss, but also keep you energized for workouts, study sessions, or long days at work. Breakfast can truly set the tone for your entire day. Lunchtime is the perfect moment to enjoy high-protein vegan meals that keep you satisfied without feeling heavy. One of the easiest is a chickpea quinoa salad with tahini dressing, loaded with plant power. If you're craving something hearty, go for a lentil protein recipe like a Buddha bowl packed with roasted veggies. This is a staple in many vegan weight loss recipes since it's fiber-rich and super filling. For a stir-fry twist, try seitan high-protein meals with broccoli and cashews. It's quick, flavorful, and one of the most popular vegan muscle gain meals thanks to its protein density. Mixing up your vegan lunch ideas high protein prevents boredom and helps you stick to your plan. The variety of grains, legumes, and greens makes each meal exciting and nutrient-packed. These plant-based high-protein meals not only fuel muscle growth, but also support steady fat loss. They're perfect for anyone balancing fitness goals with a busy lifestyle. Dinner is where high-protein vegan dinner ideas really shine. A classic is black bean vegan meals like chili topped with creamy avocado, comfort food that's also packed with fiber and protein. Another flavorful option is tempeh high-protein recipes like tacos loaded with salsa and guacamole. These vegan tacos high protein are both fun and filling. If you love curry nights, a vegan curry recipe protein like lentil curry with coconut milk is a game changer. It's hearty, warming, and one of the best vegan dinner recipes high protein for muscle recovery. Rotating these protein-packed vegan meals makes it easy to stay consistent with your goals. They're flavorful, nutrient-rich, and never boring. These vegan lean muscle recipes prove that dinner can be satisfying, nourishing, and aligned with both weight loss and fitness progress. Snacks can make or break your goals, so having vegan protein snacks ready is a game changer. One favorite, vegan energy balls recipe with oats and nut butter, perfect grab-and-go fuel. For crunch lovers, roasted chickpeas vegan snack deliver plant-based protein with every bite. Season them spicy, salty, or even sweet. If you're into meal prep, try homemade vegan protein bars. They're customizable, budget-friendly, and way healthier than store-bought options. Don't forget vegan peanut butter recipes, like protein-packed oat bars or smoothies. Nut butter is a superstar for vegan muscle gain meals and keeps cravings away. Prepping these vegan meal prep protein options ensures you've always got easy plant-based protein recipes on hand, keeping weight loss and fitness effortless. One of the easiest hacks is adding vegan protein powder recipes into smoothies, oatmeal, or even pancakes. A simple scoop can transform your meal into a vegan protein shake recipe powerhouse. Another pro tip, combine grains and legumes. Think quinoa vegan recipes with black beans or lentils. This creates complete protein-packed vegan meals that fuel muscle growth. Always keep staples like beans, tofu, and tempeh prepped. Tofu recipes high-protein and tempeh high-protein recipes are versatile, so you can build high-protein vegan dinner ideas fast. For variety, swap in seitan high-protein meals or hearty vegan soup high-protein. Both keep your vegan diet muscle gain journey fun and satisfying. Finally, don't underestimate snacks. Keep vegan protein snacks like roasted chickpeas, protein balls, or vegan nut butter snacks on standby. They'll crush cravings while supporting vegan weight loss recipes. So there you have it. 10 delicious vegan recipes, high protein that prove you can enjoy flavorful meals while still crushing your vegan diet weight loss meals and vegan diet muscle gain goals. These recipes aren't just tasty, they're protein-packed vegan meals that boost satiety, speed metabolism, and fuel lean muscle recovery. From quick vegan breakfast high-protein ideas to hearty high-protein vegan dinner ideas, you now have a toolkit to power your day. Remember, consistency is key. Keep staples like beans, lentils, tofu, and seitan ready for easy vegan meal prep protein every week. Now it's your turn. Try one of these recipes this week and feel the difference in your energy, recovery, and focus. And don't forget to share your favorite combo.